Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming battery and pairing. Low charge limits ANC performance. Once paired, open Hey Melody or your phone's Bluetooth panel and select OnePlus Buds 3. Tap the ANC icon or use the default touch and hold gesture to activate active noise cancellation. You're doing this now to let the earbuds sample ambient noise and generate opposing sound waves. Make sure each bud is seated firmly in your ear so the mic array captures accurate noise. This improves ANC effectiveness immediately. Once ANC is active, fine-tune it in Hey Melody or the device's Bluetooth panel. Select full ANC, subtle, or adaptive mode depending on your environment. Adaptive learns and adjusts automatically. Perform the fit test and try different ear tips until you get a tight seal. This increases low-frequency attenuation and reduces artifacts. Make sure wind reduction is enabled outdoors. Toggle environmental noise control when you still want situational awareness. Adjust in small steps while listening to familiar audio. To finish, confirm firmware is current in Hey Melody and restart the earbuds so settings apply. Once done, verify touch gestures engage ANC reliably. If not, reset touch controls and repair the buds. If cancellation sounds hollow or weak, inspect and gently clean the mic ports and ear tips, then retest. Make sure to try another phone or device to rule out host issues. If problems persist, use single bud mode to isolate faults before contacting support. This troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.